My video guide is about removing the browser notifications and fake human verification alerts that come from the site leaktoghigma.com. This is a fake human verification alert that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This fake alert tries to deceive people and to trick them into clicking on the Allow button. The pop-up indicates that people need to click on Allow, supposedly to confirm that they're humans and not robots, but clicking on Allow is dangerous. In case you do that, you will be redirected to some other junk sites, plus you will start receiving a lot of pop-ups that will keep attacking the screen from time to time. These ads may also point you to many shady pages in the internet, the pages that may promote adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimizers, and other infections. Therefore, if you have clicked on Allow button, you should urgently fix your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, then Site Settings. Scroll down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications, and when you find this malicious site, you should remove it from the list. Finally, I recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.